Section 1. Creating a Google account on a phone device. Step 1. Open the Google account creation page. Unlock your mobile device. Open the default browser, for example, Chrome, Safari, or the Google app if it's pre-installed. Navigate to the Google account creation page by typing https://accounts.google.com/signup. Step 2. Start the registration process. Tap on Create Account located at the bottom of the login screen. Select the purpose for your account. For myself, personal use. For my business, business-related accounts. Step 3. Fill out personal information. Enter your first name and last name in the respective fields. Tap Next to proceed. Step 4. Choose a username. Google will prompt you to select a username for your Gmail account. For example, johnsmith123@gmail.com. You can either pick a suggested username or create your own. If the chosen username is unavailable, Google will suggest alternatives. Tap Next once you've chosen an available username. Step 5. Set up a password. Create a strong password. Use at least 8 characters, including a combination of letters, numbers, and special symbols, for example, @#. Re-enter the password in the Confirm Password field. Tap Next to proceed. Step 6. Add phone number for verification. Enter your mobile phone number. This step is optional but highly recommended for account security and recovery. Tap Next to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code sent to your phone and tap Verify. Step 7. Provide additional information. Enter your date of birth, day, month, and year. Select your gender, male, female, rather not say, or custom. Tap Next to proceed. Step 8. Accept terms and conditions. Review Google's privacy policy and terms of service. Scroll down and tap I agree to finalize the account creation. Step 9. Customize your account. Optional. Add a profile picture to personalize your account. Explore additional settings like two-step verification or data personalization. Step 10. Complete setup. Once all steps are completed, you'll be directed to your new Google account dashboard or Gmail inbox. Section 2. Creating a Google account in desktop mode. Step 1. Open the Google account creation page. Open a web browser on your desktop, for example, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Visit https://accounts.google.com/signup. Step 2. Start the registration process. Click Create Account on the login page. Select one of the following options. For myself, personal use. To manage my business, business use. Step 3. Enter your personal information. Fill in your first name and last name in the corresponding fields. Click Next to continue. Step 4. Choose a username. Enter your desired username in the username field, for example, johndoe@gmail.com. If the username is already taken, Google will suggest alternatives or allow you to choose another one. Click Next once your username is accepted. Step 5. Create a strong password. Type a password into the password field. Combine uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Retype the same password in the Confirm Password field. Click Next. Step 6. Add phone number. Optional but recommended. Enter your mobile number for verification and account recovery purposes. Click Next to receive a verification code via SMS. Input the code in the provided field and click Verify. Step 7. Fill in additional details. Provide your date of birth and gender, birth date, enter day, month, and year. Gender. Choose from male, female, rather not say, or custom. Click Next. Step 8. Review privacy and terms. Carefully read Google's privacy policy and terms of service. Scroll to the bottom and click I agree to proceed. Step 9. Customize your account. Optional. Add a profile picture if desired. Configure account settings such as recovery email, two-step verification, personalization preferences. Step 10. finalize the setup after completing all steps, you'll be redirected to the Google account dashboard or Gmail homepage. Explore features like Google Drive, Photos, and more. Additional tips for both methods: strong passwords. Always choose a strong password to enhance security. Two-step verification. Enable this feature for added protection. Recovery options. Add a backup email or phone number to prevent losing access to your account. Profile personalization. Upload a profile picture to make your account recognizable. Privacy settings. Regularly review and adjust privacy settings for optimal control over your data. By following these steps, you can create a Google account on any device seamlessly. Why Google account is so important? A Google account is essential in today's digital world due to its versatility, accessibility, and integration with various tools and services. Here's why having a Google account is important. 1. Access to Google ecosystem. A Google account unlocks a wide range of Google services and tools, including Gmail, free and widely used email service; Google Drive, cloud storage for documents, photos, and videos; Google Photos, unlimited photo storage with advanced organization features; Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, free productivity tools for document creation and collaboration. 2. Communication tools. Gmail, one of the most popular email platforms globally; Google Meet, video conferencing for personal and professional use; Google Chat, instant messaging integrated with Google Workspace. 3. Seamless Android experience. An Android smartphone requires a Google account to access essential functions like downloading apps from the Google Play Store, syncing contacts, calendars, and photos, automatic backups of phone data. 4. Easy online identity. A Google account often acts as a universal login for many websites and apps via sign-in with Google. Simplifies account management by reducing the need to remember multiple passwords. 5. Cloud storage and backup. Google Drive offers 15 GB of free storage for files, documents, and backups. Automatic syncing ensures your data is accessible from any device. 6. Navigation and travel tools. Google Maps, personalized navigation, saved places, and real-time traffic updates. Google Translate, translation assistance for travelers or communication in different languages. 7. Entertainment. YouTube, a Google account is required to subscribe to channels, create playlists, comment on videos, or upload content. Google Play, access to movies, books, music, and apps. 8. Enhanced productivity. Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Calendar, enables efficient work, collaboration, and scheduling. Syncing tasks and appointments helps with organization. 9. Data synchronization across devices automatically syncs emails, photos, documents, and more across your devices, ensuring you have access anywhere. Makes switching between devices effortless. 10. Personalization and recommendations. Google uses data to provide personalized services, such as search suggestions based on your preferences, customized YouTube recommendations, targeted Google ads based on your interests. 11. Security features. Google provides robust security options to protect your account, including two-step verification, account recovery options, regular security checkups. 12. Integration with smart devices enables connectivity with smart home devices through Google Home or Nest products. Voice commands via Google Assistant for hands-free operation. 13. Collaboration and sharing simplifies teamwork with tools like Google Docs, which allow real-time collaboration and sharing. Sharing files via Google Drive is seamless and secure. 14. Professional and business use. Google My Business helps local businesses establish an online presence. Google Workspace offers premium tools for businesses, including email hosting and additional storage. 15. Access to cutting-edge technology features like AI-powered search, photo recognition, and voice assistants make daily tasks easier and more intuitive. In summary, a Google account is a gateway to an interconnected digital lifestyle, enhancing convenience, productivity, and security. Whether you use it for personal, professional, or entertainment purposes, the breadth of services it provides makes it indispensable. Term and conditions for Google account. When you create a Google account, you agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. These documents outline the rules, responsibilities, and rights of both the user and Google in relation to the use of its services. Here's an overview of the key points in Google's terms and conditions. 1. Acceptance of terms. By creating an account or using Google's services, you agree to abide by their terms and policies. If you don't agree with the terms, you're not allowed to use the services. 2. Your responsibilities. Accurate information. You must provide accurate information when signing up. Account security. You are responsible for keeping your account secure, for example, using strong passwords and enabling two-step verification. Lawful use. You agree to use Google's services only for lawful purposes. No misuse. Prohibited activities include spamming, hacking, sharing malicious content, or violating others' rights.